This is the Museum of Bitcoin, and let's get into it. This room represents the drive to be anonymous, a lot of the underlying forces that basically led to the genesis of Bitcoin. From its inception about 2 months ago of formulating the ideas, getting the visual plan together, and then from that point it took about a month straight, every single day, all day, to create this museum, get all the props, get all the dimensions. You have the wall of shame over here, of course. This is just an unfortunate series of tweets that were made from people selling far too early. This is undeniably my favorite room of the entire Museum of Bitcoin. This is the Silk Road, Ross's jail cell. This room is definitely very touching. We thought about, do we want to be objective? Do we want to maybe represent both sides of how people see Ross? But we see Ross as a human. We see someone as, maybe someone I might have gone to high school with, just a normal dude, very smart guy, and we want to humanize him. So, he's over here serving a double life sentence without chance of parole, plus 40 years, compared to all these other people, the biggest drug seller on the Silk Road getting 10 years. It's insane. He might as well have killed someone because he would have gotten a lesser sentence. This is the future of Bitcoin room. Somewhat of the present, somewhat of the future. We just want to have a nice visual, something that we can all kind of resonate with as far as a futuristic look, a luxurious look, something that kind of rings like, this is definitely a strong, beautiful appearance. And as well, even behind you, you can see we have some virtual reality going on, just to make it a little interactive, make it a little fun. I hope that people take away that a lot of this, this community, crypto in general, can be a fun, immersive, interactive experience that, it doesn't have to just all be, kind of jargon heavy and kind of nerdy. It can be f***ing awesome. It can be experiential, it can be immersive, it can be mind-opening. So that's just definitely what we want to bring to the table for the future here.